Okay, why is my eye watering? This is not the time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm so excited for today's video because we're gonna be unboxing my monthly BOXYCHARM, which, what month is it? October. It's October, so we're gonna be unboxing my October BOXYCHARM, and spoiler alert, I'm very excited. If you want to see what's in this month's BOXYCHARM, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so obviously we're going to talk about the card first, and this month's theme is Alter Ego, which it's got this cool little alter ego thing on it. It's got the list of products, so we're going to go ahead and dip into the first product, which we have to do this first because it is a skincare product. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Comes with 2 of them. I don't know if they meant to put this in this month's box, like, because it's Halloween month, but I don't know. It looks like it's gonna be kind of scary looking. It comes with the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask, so it comes with this, and then it comes with like a little lace thing. How the bump is this supposed to work? Oh, this is legit scary. Shouldn't have done my brows already. What the heck is happening? I'm gonna take it back down after I do this, so. Oh, weird. It's like super sticky. I'm honestly gonna go pretty light-handed with it, just so I can like kind of feel how it works. My skin's super sensitive, so I don't want to put it everywhere. So we're just gonna like stick it in like smaller areas. It's kind of stinging. It's stinging my eyes. I'm scared. It's really stinging my eyes. Send help. It smells very odd, like straight chemicals. Okay, line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. Okay. I don't know if this lace actually does anything. I feel like it might just be there to make you look bougie. And I don't look bougie, I just look scary. Okay, and then it says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Gently peel off mask in downward motion. Rinse any residue with warm water. I'll be back in 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and it's tight feeling where I placed it. So it says it's in a downward motion. So what I'm gonna do. Oh, Billy, it's sticking to the lace. Owie, 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 owie. Oh my gosh. Oh. My eyes are watering. That hurts so badly. That was horrific. It took some of my facial hairs. That was painful. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my face, get the rest of this off, and then we'll get into some makeup products. Okay, I am back. I just washed off the rest of the residue from that mask. So now we're gonna move into the next product that's in the box. The next product that we got in this month's box is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, and it comes with eyeshadows and blushes, and I think a highlighter as well. And this is what the outside packaging looks like. It's so pretty. So this is what the booklet looks like, and it opens up and you've got a highlight, 3 blushes, and then some eyeshadows over on this side. And then, I'm sorry, I'm trying not to blind you by the mirror, but you also have this mirror in this palette, and I'm so excited to play around with this eyeshadow palette today. There is not a lot of matte shades in this palette. There's actually only one, which is this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes just with a base. I'm probably just going to use my primer potion since it's right here. I'm going to set my lids down with a base and then put a couple transition shades on my lid so that we can go ahead and prepare with a little bit of definition before we go into some of these shades. Okay, so now that I have just prepped my eyes with a little bit of transition and depth and everything like that, we're going to go into this palette now, and I'm going to go first into the one matte shade, which is Sneak Peek, and I'm going to go into that shade with a every single video I have to drop a brush. I'm just going to dip into that shade and I'm going to put that into my crease. Most of these shades are more dramatic shades, so I'm just going to go ahead and place this in the crease because I know it's going to get dramatic, so might as well just go ahead while we're at it. And I'm just placing this in the crease but also on the outer V, and this seems to be blending out quite nicely. Sometimes darker shades can be a little patchy, and usually I also do a voiceover for the eyeshadow looks just to get it done faster, and you hear me talk through tutorials all the time. So, but you know what? I wanted to talk through it today, so that's what I'm doing. I've got that placed down, and I don't know what, I think I want to go for the purple. I don't know if I want to do this purple or if I want to do this purple, because this one is a blush, but it can be used as an eyeshadow as well. So let me swatch them and see what they look like. The blush is actually more pigmented than the shadow. This is the eyeshadow and this is the blush. They're very different colors. This one's much more red. This one's much more purple based. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow first, called Disguise, and then I'm gonna go in with Reveal after on top. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm just gonna take it with my finger. As always, just press it on the lid. It's not as opaque as I would like it to be. It's pretty sheer, but it's actually really pretty when I apply it on the lid, especially when I press. When I like tap it in. I also didn't zoom you guys in, but that's okay. It's not like a full in-depth tutorial. I'm just trying out the products. So, okay, I've applied that purple shade, and now I'm gonna go in with that blush called Reveal. And I'm also gonna apply that with my finger and just stick that right on top of that purple shade. That's pretty. I like it. Okay, I actually am going to zoom you guys in because I'm going to pause for a second and go to another product, and you'll see why in just a second. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in because I am actually getting quite a bit of fallout. I'm getting some right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the next product that we got in this month's box is actually going to help with that. So this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy, and it comes in such a big jar of it. I'm so excited that we got this in this month's box. It's like a green balm, but it is solid. And what you do is you warm up your finger in it, and then it becomes a oil consistency. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to take this right underneath my eyes to see if it takes off the makeup that's underneath there. Ooh, that works so good. And it smells so good. Yeah, this is taking away all of my fallout, just melting it away. It's called Melt Away. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the shade 12 AM. It's like a black navy. I don't really know how to describe it, and I'm kind of nervous to apply it with this brush. I'm afraid it's going to give me lots of fallout. And I'm going to apply that with like a packer brush because I'm afraid I'm going to get fallout. So I'm just going to apply this to the outer corner area. It doesn't seem to have much pigment at all. Yeah, it doesn't have like any pigment. This shade isn't great. Ooh, no, I don't like that at all. This black shade is not, I'm not a fan. It's patchy, it won't apply. It's one of those shadows that no matter what brush you apply it with, it does not apply well. So I'm just gonna leave that there. It looks not good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other eye since I did it to that one. It is a shimmery color, so I figured that applying it with a finger would be the best application, but it's just not pigmented whatsoever, and I'm just blending it out with a brush. Okay, so that shadow is not good. I'm gonna go ahead while I have you zoomed in, and I'm gonna swatch the rest of them for you. Okay, so these are the shades. This one is Exposed. This is Sneak Peek. This is Showtime. This is Mask Off, which I think that this is a really good dupe for the Dirty Money shade from the Desi Katie Dose of Colors collab, the second one that they had. I haven't seen that shadow, but this one looks like a spot on dupe. This is the shade Disguise, and then this is 12 AM. This one swatches a lot better than it actually applies. And then this one you can kind of see how sheer it is. And then I'm not going to swatch the blushes, but these are the blushes. This one's supposed to be a highlight, and then these are 3 different blushes. These are all very dark. So for my complexion, they're probably not going to be the greatest. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do my base makeup really quickly. I'm just gonna put the colors that I put on my lid on my lower lash line, and we'll go into the next products. Okay, I'm back. I've got my base on, bronzer, and I did my lower lash line, but I actually wanted to come back and do an inner corner highlight. I actually want to go ahead and use this Exposed shade. It is more of a silvery color, but I think it'll be really pretty on the inner corner. Okay, I'm just gonna dip into that. Oh, that's so pretty. Looks like a shiny nickel. Ooh, that's so cool looking. I like it. I like it. Now we're gonna move on to the next product, and I'm gonna keep you zoomed in because I am so excited. This is probably like the product that I'm most excited about. I really don't know why I can't talk. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I am so excited. I've wanted this mascara for such a long time, but it's $24. That's a pretty penny for a blush. No. Oh my gosh. For a mascara, and I'm so thankful we got it in this month's box. So I'm so excited. This is what the bottle looks like. It's just like a hourglass looking container, and then this is what the brush looks like. It is a thinner wand, which I'm so excited about. These are my favorite kind of wands, and I feel like this is just gonna give me the most amazing lashes, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out right now. This is one coat, and I already love it. I'm gonna definitely build it up, see if I can get some more volume out of it, but on one layer, this is already so good. I'm obsessed. It's really elongating my lashes and like separating them really well, like pulling every single lash out. No lash left behind. Okay, let me do a layer on my bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put another coat of this on. Oh, heck to the yes. I love this mascara. I love it. I like a little more clumpy volume, but this is still really nice. When you apply more, it thickens the lashes, not like clumpy. I'm still down. It's still so good. What y'all think? I like it. I like it a lot. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna put any falsies on. We're just gonna let it go, okay? And I'm gonna zoom you guys back out for, how many more products do we have? We have one more product, but I'm gonna try out the highlight in this palette. Oh, and a blush, duh. Okay, so I think for blush, do I wanna mix these two? Because this one, we just use as an eyeshadow, and that's definitely not gonna work for a blush. So I think I'm gonna mix these two very light-handedly though, because these are really dark. I think I'm actually just gonna take this one brush that I usually use. It's like super flimsy, and I'm just gonna like lightly tap into these. It smells like it smells like chocolate, but like chemical chocolates. Okay. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh, why do I love this? I love it. I think I'm actually, call me crazy, I'm gonna dip into this like one time or a few times and just, ooh, that might have been a little far, I'm not gonna lie. But I have to even them out now, and I have to apply some on my nose. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I think that blended it out a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna try the highlighter out, which is called Twilight. And I'm gonna try this on my ABH brush, my all-time favorite highlighting brush. I think this is gonna be too dark on me, so I don't really have high hopes. And if it does, then I'll just apply something else on top of it. 100% too dark for me. It's like applying orange on my skin. So I'm just not even gonna go there. I'm just gonna apply my Maybelline Master Chrome in the newest shade. It's called, I think it's just the 250 shade. It is the one in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. I don't know if you can even tell the color of this. It's so stunning. It is actually probably my favorite highlight at the moment. That one and the Persona Cosmetics highlighters. I'm obsessed. I mean, are you kidding me? Look at that. This is not a part of BOXYCHARM, but you need to know about this highlighter. Yes. 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 Okay, we are almost done, people. We have one more product, and if I'm being honest, if I'm being truly honest, I was so excited for this product, and I got a bad shade. You remember a couple videos ago when I had that literally neon purple? This color. This is the color I got in my latest BOXYCHARM. It's like a pastel version of it, and I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I've actually really wanted to try her formula because I've heard it's one of the best. And the shades that were coming in boxes, like they were all beautiful nudes, and this is like the one that was like super weird and odd. So if I'm being honest, I have to film another video after this. So I'm probably just going to try this on and take it off and put a nude on. But I wanted to try it out for the sake of the video, try out the formula, that type of thing. So yeah, but this is the shade K-Dub. It's like a pastel purple. And I'm kind of sad I didn't get like one of the pretty nudes, but that's okay. No! This is about to look so bad on me. Are you kidding me? Not ready for this. I'm not ready, but hey, this is what makeup is for. It's to push your boundaries. I cannot. Who doesn't love a hot pink? Okay, I might not like the color, but this is one of the best lip applications I've ever done. And I didn't even use a lip liner. I can't even take myself seriously. I'm looking at my viewfinder and I'm like, what? This probably makes my teeth look yellow too, but... So yeah, this formula is amazing. It's dried down and it's transfer proof. That's amazing. Okay, I'm dropping things left and right here. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I don't know. I actually don't mind it. Like, what do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think down below of this lip especially, but what do you guys also think about these products for this month? I'm very, very, very happy with this month's box. I think if anything is odd, I think I don't know, I'm gonna have to try out the other mask. I feel like when you only get two, you can't really tell how they work for you. My skin was really smooth where I applied that peel off mask. And then the other thing that was kind of disappointing, I loved the blushes. Surprisingly, the highlight was not for me, and then some of the shadow shades were a little on the sheer side, but they are workable. You are able to put them on, and I think this eye look is pretty. It's not super like, I just wanted to kind of try out some shades, so it's not like a super good look, but that's fine. You know what is it? Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm is so good. I'm so excited we got that in this month's box. What else? The mascara, which I don't even know where I put it. Got it. And the lip products. So the overall value of this month's box is $134, which is crazy. I say it every single month, every single video with BOXYCHARM that this is the best subscription box ever. It is $21 and you get well over $100 in your box every single month. I almost always like the products that are in this month's in the box. The past couple months have been a little iffy, but this month really redeemed itself. I feel like it is such a good box. For the mascara alone, like, I'm obsessed with this mascara. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time and I'm probably gonna get addicted and I'm probably gonna spend the $24 on it again. That's just how it works. But anyway, I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up before you leave. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And then once you have done that, turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.